Hey everyone, today we're going to take a quick look at how the transaction-based reward system works in the app. Okay, I've got two devices on the screen here. One will be the admin that scans the user or the customer's device, and the other one is the customer's device, which receives the rewards or gets the rewards taken off. So on the right is my iPhone, and I'm going to be the admin here scanning. Just a note, the QR scanner has to be a button separate from the main home screen. It cannot be on the main home screen because it's permission protected, meaning only certain people have access to it. And if you put it on your home screen, it will not work. So let's go right into this. I'm going to go into my rewards on my customer device, on my customer profile, and click on my dollars. This is a transaction-based reward system. You can see that I've got $89.10. This is a standalone system. You don't need anything else except this. It's really easy to use. So I'm going to click my QR scanner here on the right hand side, and you can see my camera pops up, and the green earn redeem button. So right here, this is the same button. Okay, so I'm going to click that button now, and my QR code pops up, and then I take the admin device and scan the QR code. And on the right hand side, it shows the customer name and email address, field for receipt, field for amount, and points to redeem. If you're adding rewards to a customer, you enter the receipt number and the amount. If you're taking rewards, the points or dollars off of a customer, you enter the points here. So just that, nothing else. So I'm going to add rewards. You saw that on my customer device I have $89.10. I'm going to put receipt number in there, and the receipt number is put in there so you cannot double dip here. If you enter the same receipt number twice, the system will tell you that it's a duplicate receipt and will not accept it. So I'll add $100 here, and I will hit submit. And on the left hand side, you can see I get a push notification saying I just got rewarded at the store. So I'm going to close that, and now I'll go back into my dollars, and you can see now I have 93.10. There's a little delay from my phone to the screen here. So it works flawlessly, and it's a really great little standalone system for rewards. Really quick and easy to use. You can get your customers to keep a device, or their staff can have the QR scanner on their own phones, and then you can use it in high volume places, or any business really that's using a reward system. Thanks for watching. One other thing before I jump off this, we've got the load and add button here for customers. You're able to sell currency to your users, just like Starbucks, where you can top up your Starbucks card. This can be the same thing. You can manage the denominations here, and you can also give them a discount. So if you wanted to give an incentive to your customers to give you money to top up their cards, they can do that. And like in this case, I think there's a 20% discount or 25% discount on $25. On $100, it's $75. Yeah, so 25% discount that we're giving here. So that's how that's used. So that's how that works. One other thing on this side, these links are all clickable. You can click on total earn. It'll show you a listing of the amounts you've earned, the dates you've earned them. If we go back, you can transfer rewards. If you click that button in the middle there, you can find a user and then transfer whatever you've got in your wallet to another user of the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching.